Some unwanted attention has landed a Lowndes County man in jail. Around 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, police responded to a Peeping Tom call at Love's truck stop in Columbus. Police say Curtis Fondren went into the women's restroom after he saw a woman go in. Then they say he got in the stall next to hers and stuck his head under the wall of the stall. The woman said he continued to look and reach under the stall after she continuously asked him to leave. The woman also said she did not know the suspect. Fondren was arrested and charged with felony Peeping Tom. He is in jail awaiting his initial appearance.